Hello everyone! Hi! Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will make a tutorial because this is requested by my avid viewer and my avid fan here in YouTube channel named Kanishka Pahuja. Hi Kanishka, I hope I pronounce your name well. So this is for you, and I hope that whoever watching this, you mga YouTubers and others who are watching this, I hope you also learn something from my tutorial. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe in my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. So without so much ado, let's start now. So what we will be needing now are two applications from Google Play Store in order for us to make a good thumbnail that I personally used. So, and these are this one and this one. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to do is to go to the Play Store again and download remove.bg. So let's go to Play Store, remove.bg. So I have already downloaded this application. In fact, I have here my review, totally awesome. So remove.bg, remove image backgrounds automatically. So after you downloaded this application, you go to another apps, social, we call this a social post maker for Facebook, Instagram, and more. So I have here my review, superb app, easy and fast to navigate, awesome templates. After we are done downloading these two applications, now let's go to first remove.bg. And then if you see this upload image, click this one, upload image, and select what image you want to edit. So I'll go to my albums and I will select this image, this one. So ayan, so this is the image I selected, and if I want to download it, this is the preview. If you're going to choose download HD full image, you're going to need a codec. But if you don't want to do that, you can just do so by click download.
What kind of butterfly are you? You're sneaky.
That's it. So para mas madali, you're going to screenshot this photo. Okay. Pag naka-screenshot na yan, you can edit. Crop natin. Then save. So, naka-save na po yun. After which, tingnan natin pag naka-save na ba talaga siya. Screenshot. Okay. So, it's here already. What you will be needing now is to go to social post. Allow. So, this is what you're going to see. There are thumbnails, a lot of thumbnails to choose. Instagram, if it is for Instagram, Facebook, Instagram story, YouTube thumbnail, Twitter, Tumblr, Pinterest, Snapchat, geofilter. So we will be choosing YouTube thumbnails. we are talking here about YouTube thumbnails. So here, as you can see, we have blank design. You can design your own if you want. But if you do not want, you can have here free. So they have free templates. They also have pro. So if it's pro, you can buy. Paid monthly paid. So example for the pro, that one. If you're going to choose that, this is what you are going to see. Start 7-day free trial, then 29.17 per month, billed annually. So you can select pay with Google or pay by credit card. But since I do not want to choose the paid one, then I'll select the free one. So example, this one. Right to load. So there you can see already that it is loaded. So what we will be doing now is to change the image by tapping it once, and then this is what you're going to see. There is a square that you can see, and select that and change the image. Go to the image that you like. So that one. So click the image that I uploaded from Remove BG. Downloaded from Remove BG. And then after that, you can move that in and adjust according to your preference. You can adjust that. And then if you do not like that one, you can delete. So click delete. Delete. And then you can change the text here by going to the edit text. So click that one, and then the title for this is Lipton Review 2021. If you are done, then just have to select that. Okay, you can edit that, change the font size. If you do not like that one, you can again select, click, and Lipton Review 2021, and then select that one and change. If you want to change the color, then you can change the color of the text according to your preference again. You can change the color. You can change, not the color, the font size. It depends upon your preference. Okay, for example, you have already selected, then you can change the size. Just drag this, drag and drag like that. Tapos, pag okay na, select again and go to edit text para 2021 ay nasa ilalim. Okay. can add layer. Shape. Let's go to shape. Select this one. Then change this to white. And then after that one, let's go to layer order, send to back. Ayan. After sending that back, we'll make it bigger so that it appears big as para klaro ang text natin. And then pwede din i-change natin. So it depends upon you how you like the image of your thumbnail. Download as GPG, download as PNG, or download as PDF, or more options here, but I'll choose download as GPG. Continue. Okay, it was already download completed. Then let's open. Ayan, so ayan na siya. So that's it. Meron na tayong YouTube thumbnails. So that's it. That's the end of the tutorial. I hope you've learned something from this tutorial how to make a good thumbnail for YouTube videos. Bye.